Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about this OneBot S9. The reason I'm making this video because people was trying to buy this bicycle, but it's not available everywhere. Why? I'll explain you why. Basically this bicycle actually looks like, and the company OneBot makes them the Jetson J8. They make them, okay, and basically OneBot make many different bicycle under different names, and I guess they have some kind of contract. They cannot really sell them officially online or in person anywhere, because this one actually even better than J8, but J8 costs over $1,000 and this one only $700. They gave me this offer to my following, and the only way you can buy through the link in description. When you get to the link you will not see the picture, okay, so it's not officially, but you will have an options to put which one you want, and there will be two bicycles. Both of them cost over $700, but you just put S9 and you put the green color or blue color, and then you'll get one of them. Fully assembled, very nice bicycle. I'll give you more details and I will tell you why you might want to consider this one. Number one, you need to consider this bicycle. So this one is Magnesium Pro, as you probably own one or maybe was thinking to buy one. As you can see, the difference in sizes, not only sizes but a lot of different options, but this bike weight 43 pounds, this one's 45. Do you see the difference? 43, 45, almost double size, same weight. Why? Because this one magnesium frame, built-in battery, not built-in battery, actually removable battery right over here, and if you remove the battery it will be even lighter, about 3 or 4 pounds lighter than Magnesium Pro. Big difference. If you try to carry this bicycle, it looks like it has handle, but not everybody can handle every time, and put in a car it's weight a lot. Also it's about the same weight, so if you consider to buy better bicycle for traveling like in RV or anywhere, this one is better. I'll show you side by side. So do you see this wheelbase, Magnesium Pro versus to S9, and the wheels as well, they're big difference. So if you're riding, let's say on a regular path, you will feel more stability even off-road. So if you're riding this S9 off-road, and I think you can ride it easily because the wheels 20-inch, you can still ride off-road or 5 lanes. It should be really nice. It's mag wheels, easy to clean, come with a nice 160mm disc brakes, mechanical, 6-speed actually, Shimano, nice turning Shimano derailleur with guard over here, so it's very nice, and easy to fold it mechanism, aluminum steam as well, easy to fold it mechanism, automatically close, bell and horn, and it comes with a nice display which you can see not only the battery, also percentage, 3 different speed mode, and this one is a 6G shifter. So nice grips as well, and half throttle. So it comes with a front light which is real nice, much better than many small bikes because it moves together with your fork. So if you want to see full video you can check link in description. So this S9 OneBot comes in 2 different colors. It's unofficial, link in description from OneBot. And if you need a replacement battery, they told me they will have the replacement batteries, they can ship out, and that's all. So if you want this bicycle, check link in description. Magnesium Pro, it's a nice bicycle but it's mini, not as stable, even I would say most dangerous mini bicycle, because a lot of people fall because they underestimate the speed and also the stability of this bicycle. Also it's a heavy because it's a steel, and I would prefer to have a bigger wheels, and it's a fully foldable, so it would take even probably less space than Magnesium Pro. So that's another reason. Consider S9. OneBot also makes the bicycle which is even smaller than Jetson Bolt Pro and faster and cost less, you can also check the link in description. I will have all the special available for OneBot company. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.